Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll guide you through the process of creating a new estimate and seeing estimate related information in QuickBooks Online. This will help you manage your clients and transactions more efficiently. First, let's start by opening your web browser and signing in to QuickBooks Online. Always make sure you're logging into the QuickBooks Online version so you're in the correct environment for creating and managing estimates. Enter your username and password, and for better security, I recommend using a strong yet memorable password. Once logged in, click on the New button. This will give you access to different transaction options, including the one we need, creating a new estimate. Now, inside the estimate window, begin by entering your customer's information, such as their name and email address. This ensures the estimate reaches the right person and keeps your client records accurate. Next, set the estimate date and expiration date. These fields are important for managing expectations and encouraging clients to respond within a specific time frame. You can then add products or services from your existing catalog in QuickBooks Online. This makes the process fast, accurate, and consistent across all your estimates. If you need to, you can also upload attachments. Adding supporting documents can give your client more clarity and make your estimates look even more professional. When you're done, click Save and Send. This will open an email form where you can write a clear professional message to go along with the estimate before sending it out. Finally, remember that estimates in QuickBooks Online don't affect your accounting records until they're converted into actual sales. This keeps your financial data clean and well organized. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a new estimate and see estimate-related details in QuickBooks Online.